Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. S118 MAXDrone Camera. 360 obstacle avoidance 8K 3 camera optical flow positioning, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and dual camera switching. 8K pixels ultra high definition pixels brushless motor strong power one-click takeoff and landing one-click intelligent return image transmission real-time preview 360 roll one-click stun troll, 360 obstacle avoidance avoiding collisions, optical flow localization stable flight. About 150 meters remote control long-term use approximately 15-18 minutes of battery life headless mode no longer lost in direction automatic perception of obstacles, automatic recognition automatic reverse hovering, more secure flight, 8K high definition electrically adjustable dual lens, high definition resolution, clear image quality and support for manual lens adjustment. New lens upgrade high definition 3 camera new 3 camera technology, high definition recording of life, optical flow localization, smooth hover whether indoors or outdoors, it can always maintain a high hovering height, folding body design lightweight and convenient aircraft model ABS plastic special material for convenient storage during travel. Low noise brushless motor capable of withstanding strong winds of about 7 levels, the noise drops again and again, and the power keeps upgrading. Ordinary motors are more than 8 times durable. Easy to install and remove, long-lasting and durable large capacity lithium battery for longer battery life 2000 mAh battery capacity 15-18 min endurance. Real-time viewing from afar with a remote control and mobile phone. The scene arrived with no delay in image transmission. Number 2. V166 4K Drone with video camera. A new starting point in the RC field, achieving a significant leap forward. 4K HD pixels, beauty filter, mobile control, MV production, high toughness materials, HD image transmission, trajectory, unity. iPhone, strong power, 360 degrees roll, one-click takeoff and landing, dual camera, one-click emergency stop, hovering at fixed altitude. Multi-speed, visible texture integrating sports car concepts for design customization. The lines are sharp and stylish, and high-quality materials with high toughness are selected. Pure color, strong resistance to falling, novice customization, multiple one-click controls, no need for cumbersome operating procedures, easy to get started, and immediate takeoff. Simple control system, increased stability, flight, zero foundation and easy to get started. 4K HD camera that's 4 times 1080p high definition pixels. The image quality is clear and detailed, easily shoot exciting blockbusters. 90 angle adjustment, 120 degrees wide angle high definition imaging, remote switching perspective, you can freely switch suiting and nails. HD image transmission, real-time viewing of images captured by drones through mobile phones, with high-definition transmission without delay. Intelligent hovering, the flight process is calculated through air pressure to maintain flight altitude in real time, without the need for throttle control. Aim at the drone lens and gesture accordingly to achieve automatic recognition for taking photos or recording. Number 3. M2s MAXDrone Camera RC FPV Drone. 8K dual camera intelligent obstacle avoidance electric phase shifting camera, click one takeoff and landing, beauty shooting, optical flow hovering, speed switching, HD image transmission, accelerometer, trajectory, fight 360 rolling app control, modular battery, MV production, headless mode, gesture photography, having the ability to perceive the environment in 4 directions: front, back, left, and right. Infrared obstacle avoidance sensing, it will avoid obstacles when encountering them. Make your control easier and simpler. Equipped with dual cameras, free to switch perspectives and create more freely. 8K electrical adjustment camera movie level pixels support 45 degrees manual adjustment. Bottom mounted camera free switching of perspectives create more freely. Dual perspective, free switching bottom camera overhead shooting, front camera head up shooting. Number 4. V166 Drone FPV 8K professional dual camera brushless power optical flow hovering 2-axis pan-tit intelligent obstacle avoidance. Getting started, breakthrough, innovation, and intelligence. The future has arrived. Extraordinary. Realize a big leap forward. 8K 2-axis camera, 3-way intelligent dual camera brushless power obstacle avoidance switching beauty filter Wi-Fi high definition 1-click gesture image transmission emergency stop recognition mobile control trajectory flight optical flow cool lighting hovering MV production mobile control multi-speed 1-click takeoff / sharing and landing. After multiple tests and improvements, the design has a strong sense of design and strong resistance to falling. Brushless motor. Restore exciting moments and shoot blockbusters with just 1 click. During the flight, the bottom camera is used for optical flow positioning and hovering, making the flight more stable. Brushless motor. Powerful brushless motors, which have excellent wind resistance and are suitable for flying on various fields. Brushless motor. High burst, high-low noise, long service life, 5 level 8 times strong wind performance resistance improvement. Number 5. L500 PRO RC Drone. The optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 4096 times 2160 high-resolution images and 1920 times 1080 high-resolution videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angle. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. The upgraded battery can maintain 25 minutes of working time when fully charged. The number of batteries is optional. Up to 3 batteries can be selected, and the maximum battery life can reach 75 minutes. Easy use and fun to fly. The drone is easy for beginner, equipped with functions like auto return, FPV, tap fly, headless mode, 1 key takeoff, landing. With simple press, even little boys and girls can take it under well control. Equipped multi-sensors guarantee hovering with great stability and high quality pics taken under different flying environment. Optical flow positioning makes great effect when GPS signal is lost or weak. Functions, like 1 key start, stop, emergency stop, altitude hold and electric fence, keep it simple to control for even beginners. We have equipped 4 high-power motors under each fan blade, which have 8 levels wind resistance and 3200 RPM power out, ensuring a stable flight attitude and easier control, which not only satisfies professional players but also new players.